Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is one egg banana loaf or muffins. If you use muffin thins, no margarine, no butter, it is moist, it is economical, and you can also use it as a gift. Please continue watching. I've got here the one egg. We're saving on eggs, and then vegetable oil. I'm just going to use a third of a cup of vegetable oil. Not bananas, cheap, not state of the art. I've got flour in a bowl. I'm sieving it. To it, a pinch of salt. In it goes. In another bowl, I'm going to add some vegetable oil, a third of a cup. To it, I'll add sugar. Sugar too is not much. This is what you could easily do in this economy. This one egg banana cake is very easy. With vegetable oil, you mix easily. Let me stop the creaming for a while. I have here baking soda. To the baking soda, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of hot water to dissolve. To mash the bananas. As you can see from the bananas here, they are not so good looking, but they will do it. So I have finished mashing it. Some are well mashed and some I have it in big chunks. I like the texture it adds to the banana bread. To the vegetable oil and the sugar. I think this is okay. Time to add our one egg. To add the mashed bananas. Goes the dissolved baking soda. Going to pour in all the flour at once. It's 1.5 cup of flour. Folding it in. I don't want a dense loaf. I have put on the oven at a very high heat. When I start baking, I will reduce the heat. The pans I'm going to use, this is a very small pan, and the rest I'll pour it in the other. Disposable one is greased and dusted to get a brown crust, old-fashioned. You see the texture. It was done fast, even though I didn't place it very close to the heat. And this one, I placed it on top of the source of heat directly. So this is done. A closer look at the loaf. See the banana, the bits of the banana that are into big chunks, and it doesn't look burnt out. It's into it. You can still see the color, and the inside is moist. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.